Welcome aboard, mate. This is SafeSea VR, your immersive gateway to the world of maritime operations. In this simulation, you'll step onto a bulk carrier vessel to learn its structure, explore key areas, and understand basic safety protocols. This virtual training environment is designed to prepare you before you ever set foot on a real ship. Take your time, interact, learn. Your journey to becoming a capable seafarer starts now. Let's begin.
Chief, come in, Chief. Over.
Captain, this is Chief. Over.
The engine room fire is out of control. The crew has done everything possible. Our only remaining option is to activate the CO2 firefighting system. Just follow carefully my instructions on how to initiate the release.
Copy, Captain. I'm ready.
Okay. First open the quick closing valve cabinet door. Follow the glowing object.
Now, check the pressure gauge. It seems fine. You need to close all dampers, fuel valves, and the air vents before releasing CO2 in the engine room, because CO2 works by removing oxygen to smother the fire. If the space isn't sealed, the CO2 will escape. Fresh air will rush in, and the system won't work, letting the fire continue to burn and reignite. Good. Now activate the ER funnel damper. Nice, Chief. Now activate the ER fan damper valve. In this ship, we have 4 fans supplying air to the engine room that we need to be sure that it is close. Good. We're almost done. Now close the ER fuel oil quick closing valve. We must cut off the fuel flow from those tanks. Very good, Chief. Now, proceed to the CO2 control release cabinet. Remember, there are 2 locations. One here in the fire station, and the other in the CO2 room itself. Listen, Chief. I'm sure that control cabinet door is locked. Get the key from the small red box. Listen, Chief. I'm sure that control cabinet door is locked. Get the key from the small red box. Now, you'll see 2 keyholes on the control cabinet. One at the bottom right and one on the top right corner. Insert the key and release the grab button. The key. Next, retrieve the key and insert it into the next keyhole. Repeat the same process. You can now open the control cabinet door. Okay, first, activate the left valve. That will remotely open all the individual CO2 tanks release valves. You can now open. Great! One last step. Open the CO2 mainline valve. This should extinguish the fire. We are running out of time. Yes, the fire is out, Chief. You did it. The engine room is clear. That was a close call, but your quick thinking and precise execution saved this vessel. Well done, Chief.
It's my duty, Captain. You're welcome.
Attention all crew, this is your captain. Listen up, we had a serious situation in the engine room, but I'm proud to report that the fire is out. Repeat, the engine room fire is extinguished. My sincere thanks to the chief and everyone involved in the firefighting efforts. Your courage and professionalism saved us. The ship is secure. Stand by for further instructions, but for now, breathe easy. Captain out.
Whew, that was a close one.